Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safna Ramli, and today I'll show the mini game that I have created. So this mini game is called Halal Hangman, and this game applies the concept of traditional hangman, where you have been given a random words. In this game, the list of random words is basically a surah from Quran. So we have 114 possible surah that has been randomly chosen by the game. Uh, so the player have to guess the surah. And then let's go to the features that we have in this game. So here we have the exit button where the player can exit the game if they want. Just click the yes. And then here in the middle, we have the instruction for the player on how to play the game and how to win. And here we have the hint. Um, This is for additional hints for to help the player to guess the surah. So here we have the empty space with black background here. This shows how many letters inside the surah that we have to guess. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 letters. And here at the bottom, we have a list of possible letters to be chosen. So if I were to play this game, let's take a look at the hint again. The opening up, which is the meaning of the surah. And I always start with A, because A is always there. So as you can see, when we click A, we can see that A disappears from the list of options and transferred into the empty space, which means that letter A is inside the surah. And it disappears from this list of alphabet or letters because we don't want the player to click the same letter twice. Next, we try to click maybe L. Yes, we have L. And usually in Quranic surah, we have this dash symbol. And yes, we have also that symbol. And let's try to get something wrong. We click this thing. As you can see, if you click the wrong letters, it will not be transferred into this empty space, but it will generate a picture of hangman, starting with the head of a stickman. So you will lose the game when the picture fully developed into a stickman with two pairs of hand and legs. So that happens in 6 move, if I'm not mistaken. So let's try to keep winning the game. Let's try M, also not in this surah. So you can see that now the statement has a body, which is an updated version from the previous image. We try maybe I. You can see that I is inside the surah. How about N? Oh, we have N. No. How about U? No. No U inside here. So it updates the image, and now the stickman has one hand. So I think we only have three life left before we lose the game. So let's take a look at the opening up. Let's try F. No. 2 more chances before we lose the game. Let's try B. No. And if we get one more wrong, we'll lose the game. So we don't want that. H. Oh, H is inside the surah. How about S? Al-Inshirah, yes, Al-Inshirah. So as you can see, we barely wins. We have one mistake left before losing the game. So whenever you lose or win the game, yeah, you will be greeted with a pop-up message. Of course, the content of this pop-up will differ with if you win or lose the game. But it will contains the text to ask the player whether they want to play again, and also if they want to play again, they can click yes. And if they want to exit the game, they can click no. So I think I've covered everything inside this game.